Well, if you could choose the perfect Sunday morning, would this be it? I fixed the mirror, I think. The world famous Thatcher's factory, where the world's finest cider comes from. I bought new leathers to match this bike, red, white and black. However, I bought them at a brilliant price, much cheaper than you would normally pay. However, they are 2 sizes too small. 3 weeks, I've lost over a stone. I'm sticking to plan and working hard at it, and I'm really pleased with the progress so far. I love the sound that this bike makes now that it's running so well. It kind of sings up to about 4,000 RPM and then it roars from 4,000 onwards. I know it's going to handle well. These things are used on the track a lot in different race series, amateur race series. Injured, big bump. Oh, Simon, you absolute legend. We are taking the very long way round. I love that. And then I can hopefully hit the twisties with a bit of fun. Oh, we're pausing. Okay. I am taking the Ducati 600SS off-road. Not part of the plan. Slightly scared. I'm sure we'll be fine. Oh shit, bike's going. He wants me to take it off-road.
You know what Ducati owners are like? Every opportunity, they ride 2 minutes, take 300 photographs, ride another 2 minutes.
Can I just say, he doesn't know what Ducati owners are like, because all I'm thinking up here is there's no cars in front of us. This is going to be brilliant. But while I'm here... That was a very early toilet stop. Oh. And I can't play. Oh, I can't play. I want to play. I don't have to go fast. Just a little bit faster. I didn't record that bit, probably for the best actually. I was being followed by a beautiful Ducati Panigale in bright red, which is absolutely stunning. He was 2 up, and it was good fun, and that's all I'm about to say about that. Whoa, don't you. Oh, we have a missed gear, thank you very much. Almost for a moment I'd forgotten I had a Ducati, but there you go, that little reminder. Now interestingly, on the Multistrada, which is a fast bike, that is a quick bike, it's a missile, but I don't feel the necessity to go fast. But on this, which is half the size, less than half the power, a lot less than half the power, I just want to have a blast in it all the time. Cows. Oh, some baby twisties. Let's take them nice and gentle, nice and slow. Oh my god, Simon's overtaking. Took me by surprise there, I was so busy chatting. I think I'll wait a minute. Wow, look at these beauties. Oh my goodness, stunning, absolutely stunning. because it looks quite quiet actually. Normally this is full. Well, that was Salt and Malt. Oh, gnats everywhere. Okay, I can honestly say I've never been down this road before. Who knows what we're going to come up against? Abandoned buildings, farmhouses, bumps, glorious greenery. The smell out of that pub is fantastic and making me extremely hungry. Oh, look at the front of that. Oh, that, is it wisteria? It's beautiful. Oh, this is very pleasant down here. Oh, big bump. And then just down here on the left hand side is the Langford Mushroom Farm, which produces mushrooms for all over the world. And also produces a smell that can somewhat be described as interesting. Just in there. Actually not smelling so bad today. Rides start with a fuel station, mine's going to end with one. Thanks very much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch up with you again soon.